Mini-ITX boards need to do a lot in a small space, so build quality and layout matter more than looks. The two real options here are Asus ROG Strix B850i Gaming Wi-Fi and ASRock B850i Lightning. The ROG Strix B850i gives you almost everything you'd expect from a high-end ATX board. Wi-Fi 7, dual PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, strong power delivery, and easy-to-use features like Q-Release for the GPU latch and Q-Latch for M2 drives. The audio section is clean and detailed, and rear I/O includes a high-speed USB-C port for external storage. The ASRock B850i Lightning cuts the price but keeps key performance. You still get Wi-Fi 6E, PCIe 5.0 for the GPU and one M2, and a solid 10+1+1 VRM design that runs cool even with a small air cooler or a 240mm AIO. For me, the Mini-ITX model that fits best with the 7800X3D is the Asus ROG Strix B850i Gaming Wi-Fi. This board makes sense if you're building a compact PC but don't want to give up high-end features. It supports fast storage with two Gen 5 M2 drives, has a reinforced PCIe slot for large GPUs, and includes 2.5GB Ethernet plus Wi-Fi 7 for stable online gaming. Fan headers and USB ports are placed sensibly for small cases, which helps keep cable clutter down. The only catch is the higher price. If you're okay with one Gen 5 slot and slightly older wireless, the ASRock B850i Lightning gives you 90% of the same performance for noticeably less money.